What's going on, YouTube? We're back with another YouTube video. Today is something different. I don't know if you guys have seen the new Popeyes sandwich, but Chris, how good is a Popeyes sandwich?
Okay, if you think Chick-fil-A is good, go try a Popeyes sandwich.
Okay, so basically, if you guys haven't noticed, like if you haven't been on social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, everything that you can think of, YouTube, this sandwich is trending. So I decided, you know, everyone's out here eating one sandwich, you know, maybe two sandwiches, giving it a good review. Me and Chris ate it already. We already know how good it is. So we're gonna take it up a notch. We're gonna eat 10 spicy Popeyes sandwiches.
Not one.
Not one, not two, not 3 sandwiches, but 10 whole Popeyes sandwiches. So I'm calling out all the YouTubers out there that think they can eat food. So we're gonna eat 10. We're gonna go pick them up right now at Popeyes. Let's get it, bro. I'm ready. We got the Popeyes. It says on the door, no sandwiches until Wednesday, but I don't know, we're gonna find out right now. It was an instant no. You know it's still a full send. We're gonna drive 15 minutes away just to get sandwiches. This is the Popeyes, 15 minutes away. Let's find out if they have it this time. If they don't, I'd be really bummed out, but I think they'll have them. Let's see. I didn't record it.
I just did right now, though.
I got 10 sandwiches. Yeah, it's been 10.
Stop me, yo! I'm fighting for my life! Yo!
Are you vlogging your Popeyes experience?
I am. I'm eating 10 of them though.
I got 7.
7, but I'm gonna eat all 10 though. Cool, thank you. $42 for 10 sandwiches. We're actually gonna take the food home because it's hot as shit in here. And Chris had a point. He said that it's gonna get really hot in here. And I'm eating, and I'm already like sweating my balls off in here with the long sleeve. Imagine if I had 10 spicy chicken sandwiches in me, I'll be sweating even more. So we're gonna take it home. See you guys with the 10 sandwiches all laid out. All right, ready, Chris? Back to the house. All right, we're back home. Let's unload them, dog. 10 sandwiches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They gave us 11.
No.
Yeah. All right, so we got 10 plus 1, but we're gonna give the plus 1 to Nate.
By the way, I am not participating in this. This is only Jacob.
All right.
In case he hasn't made himself clear.
So it's just all me. We're eating 10 sandwiches. We're gonna stack these sandwiches up on a big plate. I'm not gonna be having a few minutes. Oh,
Fuck.
Down she goes. All right, guys. 10 Popeyes sandwiches.
Stopwatch. Starting. Ready?
Yep.
Go.
All right.
Ew. Yeah, it's good. Already.
In full spot.
You're full? He's full. Full, you got it.
I told myself when I hit 6, I was gonna get full.
Yes,
Why would you tell yourself that? Because I'm stupid.
You know that? People that go on colonoscopies, they can only have like Jello. Like,
Yo, dead ass? If I take my time, I can do this.
Yeah, I know you can.
All right. I'm not gonna give up, but like, it's just brutal. I'm gonna take a little break here. We back after these messages.
For him.
I can't do this.
Yes, you can.
No.
Shut up.
I can't. There's no way, bro. Dead ass. I feel like I'm gonna fucking yak. I take another bite.
Oh, shit, bro. Ew. Jacob, you've been at the same spot for the last like
Yeah,
25 minutes. You haven't even taken a bite.
Yes, I have. Look.
Just chomp it down.
You think it's easy, dog?
Yeah, so you.
Yeah, it's not that easy, dog.
You did 15,000 calories. It's just 7.
Yeah, in one sitting.
I'll do it.
I'll do it. I'll pull the trigger right now.
Let's go.
Okay, and then you're gonna come back and eat it.
No, I'm not gonna eat it. That's gonna be the end of it.
No.
Pull trig. Pull trig.
Oh fuck! I'm just gonna pull a trigger.
You ready?
Alright, let you guys down and.
Whoa. So you didn't finish the
I
sandwiches,
didn't
right?
finish the sandwiches, so I'm just gonna pull a trig. It's for all the YouTube viewers. I'm doing this shit on purpose, dog.
Pause. Go.
Nate, move. Nate, move.
It's not.
Why you crying, little bitch? Why you got necklace? Check it all the way. Go.
Do it?
Go. It doesn't matter. Go. Go. Eat it fast. Please. Go.
Alright, I'm gonna end the video right here.
Alright, guys. Jacob tried to do it. He got to about 8.5.
Alright, guys. We got to about 8.5 sandwiches. The people that voted no on Instagram, you guys are fucking right. I could not do it. I even tried to make myself vomit. Couldn't vomit. Continue to eat, and I just hit a brick wall. So now, that's it, man. I give up. There's no way I'm finishing this. 10 Popeyes sandwiches was a big, epic fail. Shout out to anyone that can finish 10 Popeyes sandwiches, or anyone that's crazy enough to even try doing some stupid stuff like this. Props to you, bro.
Shit.
Yeah, that was a 10 Popeye sandwich challenge. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys didn't check out the last video, make sure you guys go check it out. And give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. We're uploading videos every single week. We got some big things coming with Chris and Nate. Thank you guys so much for watching. We epically failed that. Hopefully next time we do a challenge, I'll be able to complete it actually. But yeah, that's the Popeye sandwich challenge. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey, we challenge any motherfucker to do what he just did and finish.
Yeah, okay, look, if anyone can do 10 Popeye sandwiches and actually finish it, I will literally Venmo you $100. Swear to God.
Damn!
$100. Shout
Yeah,
out.
the Popeyes,
This is a virtual handshake to anybody that can finish the 10 sandwiches without throwing up.
Sorry.
I will Venmo you. I'll Venmo you $100. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. We'll see you guys in the next one.